Let's talk about house hacking 101, right? Like, I think a lot of people see videos on TikTok and maybe reels on how to produce additional income. Let me tell you, one of the things about additional income is a defensive strategy against inflation and against recession, right? Because as inflation goes up, so does your rent, but your mortgage stays the same because your interest rate is locked for 30 years, or even if you do a 5-year ARM or a 7-year ARM, you're still locked in. So I wanted to give you guys, when people ask me, I think this house would be the ideal scenario for what house hacking should look like. So let me give you a quick tour. So first of all, ideally it should be a single family home. In this case, you have a 10,000 square foot lot, right? You have entrances on both sides that fit easily a trailer, right? So if you wanted to do a mobile home or a trailer or an RV, right? Perfect size. So you have one bedroom here, its own bathroom, living room, right? Kitchen in the back, right? Own AC. So what would you rent this for? $1,200, $1,400. Let's say you want to live in this space and you have a 2-bedroom, right? So you have a 2-bedroom here, 1, 2, bathroom, right? Full bathroom, cabana bath. You lock this door, you close it up, and you say, okay, now I have a studio, right? So now you have an $800 income. So now we're by $2,000 of additional income, right? Come out here, you have the big part of the lot, and you have an additional and legal space already built that you could easily get another $1,200 for. So now we're at $3,200. Let's say you want to maximize this, right? And you're like, man, this investment property, I want to max it everything that I can get, right? You bring in an RV here, right? You put it in, got an extra $1,000. Let's say you want to bring in another one, put it over there. Now you got another $1,000, right? So now we're somewhere around $5,000. So why do I think this is, again, for the right person, somebody ambitious or hungry enough, this is the type of property that you would house hack, right? You have $5,000 worth of rental income and you still have a space that you can live in. So you have somebody else paying entirely for your mortgage and your future.